Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the top dividend stocks. Now, these aren't going to be your average dividend stocks. These are going to be what you call monthly dividend stocks. So the beauty of these stocks is they pay out on a monthly basis. And the beauty of that is historically, most value companies or value stocks that pay dividends or dividend paying stocks pay out on a quarterly basis. And the difference between the two is one monthly dividend, you can start compounding your account a lot faster because all the dividends you get, you can reinvest them back into the business to get more dividends the following month. Then you will get more the following month. So you pretty much start the snowball effect. It's a fantastic way to invest. And the beauty of these dividend stocks as well is most of them are going to be invested into some sort of asset other than, companies. So it's going to be investing in real estate, oil, a whole bunch of things. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value, hit that like button, subscribe. So let's start off with stock number one. Stock number one is ticker symbol SBR. This is also known as, Royalty Trust. Now this one here is different than the rest of them. This one here is a oil company. So they own a whole bunch of oil assets, whole bunch of energy fields. And the beauty of it is that it pays a pretty decent dividend of 73 cents every single quarter. And if we actually look at it, you can see it's been growing that dividend. So it used to pay, like a 30-cent dividend. Now it's paying upwards of a 70-cent. So this is a really, really cool one here, as you guys can see. Not to mention, guys, this has a beautiful upward trend. So you're going to be getting growth on both the dividend side and the appreciation of the stock. So I really think that's awesome, and it's a great way to invest. I highly recommend this one here. The next one here is different than all the rest of them that we're going to be covering. It's ticker symbol WKLY. Now this one here is pretty much a pool of a whole bunch of dividend paying stocks. And this one here pays out on a weekly basis, which is absolutely crazy. Now, the reason why is because it's rare to see companies pay out on a monthly basis, but this one here will pay about 2 cents every single week, which is pretty cool, to be honest. And I know 2 cents doesn't sound like much, but once you start compounding your account, 2 cents can easily turn into $2, then $20, then $200, and then before you know it, you could be possibly getting $2,000 a week from owning stocks and owning this ETF. I really think this is cool. It's backed by SoFi, which is awesome. And yes, it doesn't move much, right? It just kind of has a lot of consolidation, which is fine, right? You don't want something that's plummeting to the ground. You do want something that's kind of moving, just like how it is, where we have these spikes. Eventually here, I would love to see an upward trend, which we kind of do have. But I really think this one's great because of all the dividends you guys can start getting here. The next one here is ticker symbol O. You cannot have a monthly dividend video without talking about ticker symbol O. This one here is what we call Realty Income Corp. This one here pays out on that monthly basis of 24 cents. It has great growth, and you guys can see during the lockdowns, this thing got absolutely hammered because of all the speculation, everything going on. This one here, they own a whole bunch of real estate, from commercial real estate to residential. So you guys get a little bit of the money when the tenants pay their lease or their rent, which is really, really awesome. The earnings are okay. A lot of people think this thing's overvalued, but I honestly cannot beat all the dividends that it pays out. It gets great growth, good stock, and I can't wait to see where it goes here. The next one here is ticker symbol MAIN, also known as Main Street Capital, another monthly dividend icon here. This one here is trading for about $43 a share. It does pay about 21 cents a month, which is good, right? This is going to be one that does have a little more growth, as you guys can see. It does have some decent support here at about 41, some heavy resistance at 44. Given that the stock's kind of right in that middle ground, good strategy, dollar cost average it so you get a good average price, and you guys can start that compounding effect. I'm super excited to see where this one goes here. The next one here is ticker symbol DX. Very simple, DX. This one here is another company. Now this one here is a little more volatile than I would like to admit, but it does have some decent growth, right? Especially from the lows here during the March crash. Does have some pretty strong support stepping in at about $15.30. As you guys can see, I'll actually go ahead and draw that out. You guys can see it's hit it several times, has heavy support there. Given that it's near and around that support line, good opportunity. Pick up a couple of shares. Monthly dividend of about 13 cents. It's a little more on the more affordable side. So this one here is a great one here, guys. And then the last and final one here is ticker symbol SBR. SBR, that we already covered. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. We will see you guys later. I thought I had more, but that was it on my list. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, make sure you guys ask them down below, and we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.